So I got a new interactive dog ball. After being afraid of it for about 20 minutes, she's starting to come around.